how to keep Pinterest account private. So if you want to keep your Pinterest account private, then first of all, you need to open up your Pinterest application and make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged in, now you can go for your profile, which is on the bottom right. And here you will have your boards, right? So you can select any one of that board. And now tap on the three dots, which is on the upper right. And here you will have edit board. Tap on that edit board. And here you will have keep this board secret. So toggle that on. And after that, others can't see your board. And once you've toggled that on, now if you invite someone, then only they can view your board. Without inviting, they can't see your board. So that's how you make it private. So this way you can hide all of your boards if you don't want to make them public. So that's it. That's how you keep your Pinterest account private. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.